Alright, so we're in Costco and we're going to be solving next problems in LeetCode. So the LeetCode problem that we're going to be doing today contains duplicate, which is in the hash map sets. Alright, it's the first problem here. So let's go to new link and I'll just go. I don't know what. Okay, it would open up LeetCode. So let's just start solving it in LeetCode first, and then we're going to solve it in LeetCode. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears more than once in the array, otherwise return false. If it appears more than once, then return true, and if it appears nothing, so that's basically how do we write this code, or change it to Python. So we have a nums list. So we would basically use a set, right? Set will have all the unique elements. But I think even a hash map, what we would do is would have more than one element. We'll put in the dictionary, so scene. And then what I can say is for num in nums. And I say if num in scene, then we just say return false or return true because that's a duplicate, and if not, then what we do is we put in the num inside that dictionary. I don't know how to add it. So for the index, we'll put that value. What we would put? I just want to insert it. Oh yeah. So key, what would be the key? Because you're saying dictionary, right? So what would be the key? Key would be the val, and then the index. ये भी कर सकते हो, right? Value, and then the key would be the number, and value would be the index. So if it exists, I'll say it exists in that index. So for that, we would have to change this to enumerate. All right, and then we have for index, and then num in scene. If not, we'll just the index. I don't know. Oh, false. Oh yeah. And suppose if it goes out, we say true or false. यार मुझे एक चीज़ समझ नहीं आ रही, and seeing the LeetCode solution for this.
Hey everyone, well, for every value in the input array, and we only had to scan through the list of inputs once, the time complexity is going to be big O of n, but the space complexity, we did have to sacrifice a little bit. We have to create a hash set, and the memory that hash set will use could be up to the size of the input array, which is n, so we do end up using extra memory, but that's not too bad. This is about as efficient as we can get in terms of time complexity, so let's get into the code now. Okay, so now let's get into the code. So the first thing I'm going to do is create that hash set. In Python, you can can do that just like this. It's just called a set. And then the simple thing is just going through every value in the input array nums. And before we end up adding it to our hash set, because remember, we want to add every one of these values to our hash set just like this. But before we even do that, we want to know, is n a duplicate? Does this value already exist in our hash set? And if it does, we know that our array contains duplicates. So we don't even have to continue through the rest of the array. We can immediately return true because we found a duplicate. But if it doesn't contain a duplicate, we're going to add that value, then iterate through the rest of the array of nums, and then the loop will exit, and then we can return false to indicate that we did not find any duplicates in the array. Now let's run the code to make sure that it works. And on the left, you can see that yes, it does work.
Okay, so one problem is hash set in the same as a set in Python. Let's see. Yeah, the Python in Python set is a hash set. While Python does not have a specific data type, a specific name hash set like Java or the C# do. It's building the set data type for totally implementing hash set. That offer common actions like lookups in additions, add and removal running all one time. Alright, so we're going to put our hash tag and say for number in numbers, and say if num in a hash set, then we just return true, else or, and then we just, if not, then we say hash set dot add, and we put in the number, and then we return false if it doesn't exist. That's all our code. That's all. Basically, that was one of the simplest programs in the LeetCode library. Is the hash set? How does the hash set work? Or I'll just continue this conversation. How does the hash set work in Python? And how is it different from the hash set in general? Everything. By them set, using hashtag returns your data into a secret code numbers to store things very in general. Returns a set is just an idea of a collection with no definition. Set hashtag is one to build that idea with everything you need to know. How Python set works inside having a great number of buckets. These are so cool, man. I'm in a giant row of numbered buckets. Python uses put items into the bucket. Actually, when you do Python, when you move in, it's cool. The Python will be a big number, big up to a number. And then go straight to that bucket and go because Python knows the exact bucket number and not from the has to search the others with a blank. Add over and 50. Do you understand the difference? the state is a vehicle and a pass out of the